Got it here, next level salad spinner. First of all, that's a strainer. So if you wanna strain your veggies, you just put it all in here, and then whenever you're ready to wash it, you can strain it like this. Make sure you spin all the water out. Let's go put it to the test. For example, you wash your salad and then you just spin it inside the sink. Then you fold it and put it in the sink, and as you can see, all the water is going to stay there. How cool is that? It spins really fast, as you can see. Wow, and then it slows down pretty quickly too. So you can get all the water out super easy. Love it. And boom, you got your salad. Oh wow, it sticks right here. There's a little, what do you call it? Sticker. Wow, it can stand by itself almost. That's cool. So it helps to keep it steady. For the next gadget, we got right here gallon pump. First of all, you have right here a couple of batteries. You put it in, and it could be with any kind of gallons, like milk, soda. Probably will fit even one of those big Gatorades. So let's see if it's gonna spill off any. Okay, no, it doesn't take too much liquid, and it has right here like a, I don't know, like stretchy cup, and that will turn. So when you put it in the fridge, you can turn it and stuff. And then whenever you want to refill it, just press it and it's gonna pump up your soda. How cool is that? So that way you don't have to lift out the bottle. It's just very, very easy. The only thing is you gotta make sure you put fresh batteries in. I love that. This is super cool gadget. That's much easier than taking the tin out, unscrewing the cap, then screwing the cap back on, put it back in the fridge. You could just stick it in and fill up really quickly, and then it stays good and covered up. That's nice. And obviously this side here will work pretty much with any kind of bottle. It's pretty thick, but it is made mostly for one of these gallon bottles. Love it. Make it much easier. This thing is pretty heavy. Air removing back clip. Check this out. That's definitely something new. So there's some kind of valve in here, so letting the air out, but not back in. And how do we do this? Oh, okay, you just open it, and you can use it pretty much for anything. Chips, pasta, whatever. So you just put it in and lock it in. Make sure you lock it everywhere, and push all the air out. Oh no way, it actually works so well. Check this out. Look at that. There's no more air in there. Look at that. It really did remove all of the air. That's crazy. So it's not letting the air back in. And whenever you need to use it, again, you just remove that. Take this out, boom. That's definitely next level clip. I don't know if it's necessary, but I think it's cool. The only jar opener you need. So this side here is pretty cool design because it's a vintage design that have been kind of remastered. You probably seen vintage design, they all metal and wooden handle, better quality. This right here rubber, plastic, but also rubber, which is kind of better because rubber will have better grip. But what they mean by the only jar opener, you can pretty much grab it on any kind of jar or lid that you need to, and it's just going to break it through. Boom. Obviously pickles a little bit harder, so you just open it and then twist it, and kind of twist it good to where it grips onto it, and then wow, did you see that? That really helped quite a bit. And same thing with something like this, a different size, it will work too. You just untwist it all the way, and then whenever you close it, kind of give it a little tightness, and then pull on it. Boom. You see how it popped it open, and look at that grip. It just hold the lid. So it makes it a lot easier, especially on those tight jars like pickles and stuff. But sometimes they get stuck. I don't know, they put the lid on and it's really hard to open it. This is always a good thing to have. Or one of your hands is not 100%, that will help you also. For the next one, this is a high quality all stainless steel salt and pepper shaker, and this is a ratchet. It's so much better than the plastic ones. They cost a little bit more, tells you how to open it. Just push it this way, and I'm out of salt, I need to buy more salt. Then close this back up, lock it in. This idea, you can adjust it, fine, smaller, higher, depends what kind of salt you have. And let's look at it. Look at that salt. So quick, and look at all the rocks inside of it. You can see when you need more salt. So, and then in here you put pepper, same thing. It opens kind of opposite way. You wanna, I don't know, kind of wiggle it around and this will spin. And that's how it's going to grind it. But in here, whenever you ratchet it, you see it's going to spin it. Some kind of gears inside of it makes it spin whenever you ratchet. Boom. Adjust it, probably down. I love it. High quality, all metal is way better looking right here. High quality, I love the wooden tops. It just looks so beautiful this way. Let me know in comments below what do you think about this. I really enjoy this expensive salt and pepper shakers. Got it your next level toaster, foodie flipper toaster. So there you go, regular toaster, flip this down, toaster oven. How cool is that? So now you don't need to have both. You can just flip it forward, tip it over, and there you go. You just have to push it this way, that's it. So we have 2 pieces of bread right here, fits well. I'll put a bunch of cheese on it, see what happens. Okay, to get oven going, you press that, then you can flip it down and adjust the time. So let's do 3:30, I guess. Okay, then we can put this in, and then we press start. Well, I guess this one is started for 10 minutes. Looking pretty good whenever it's plugged in. It does look like a little toaster oven. Okay, we'll see what happens. I hope it doesn't shoot it out. You know, if this presses it, I guess that's why you want to lock it in. So you just pull it out. There's bacon cooking charts, but you know, once you use it, you can learn it and figure it out even better. Wow, it's doing super well. We're gonna plug it back in. Look, it stopped automatically and it started automatically. Let's pull it again. Yeah, it paused. Look, we look at it, put it back in, the timer went back up. Did it? Yeah, it did. Wow, that's amazing. That's one of a kind toaster oven. I cannot believe it. And look at that cheese and bread. It's toasting it well and catches all the cheese. Beautiful. I think it's pretty much done, maybe a little bit longer. Restarts by itself. So I guess you can press it here and restart it and turn it off. Now you have grilled cheese. Very nice, that's for sure. Really hot. Grilled cheese.